Wow, sobrang lasa. Sobrang lasa ng mga marination nila. Nano pa po kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank REDEE Food Products for sending us their products, and we would like to tell you guys that this is a partnership video, so more than a review, it's a promotion of their product. So to know more about REDEE Food Products, samahan niyo po ako. Alright, so let me start by introducing po yung mga products nila. So let me start by introducing the products that they sent us. So meron po silang skewered and marinated barbecue meat products. So these are available sa 800 grams and 500 grams. Now for the variations, they have pork and chicken. Now if you want spicy, available din po yan. Meron tayong spicy pork barbecue as well as spicy chicken barbecue that are available sa 500 and 800 grams. REDEE Food Products has been in the industry since 1992 according to our orientation with the owner, and they are hailing from Minalin, Pampanga. I believe they are already available sa mga selected groceries and meat shop, and just recently they are now available online through Facebook, and from their official fan page you can now transact with them, order, and delivery will be made online dun sa mga platform na yon. So let me taste yung kanilang spicy pork barbecue. Right, so let's taste this. I'm really excited kasi kanina ko pa naaamoy yung aroma, yung grill, and yeah, I'm really excited to taste them, guys. Wow, sobrang lasa. Sobrang lasa ng mga marination nila. Wow! And at the same time, if you cook it really right, you will surely enjoy yung pagka-tender ng mga meat nila as well as yung perfect marination. I'm gonna finish my steak. Oh wow! Got super duper marination to perfection. Now, we wanna taste yung kanilang mga spicy variations. This is the chicken. Wow! Super tender, super soft. Para sa akin, yung spicy factor niya is around 4 to 5 out of 10. Ooh! Yung tenderness factor naman ng chicken natin, out of 10, probably it's 8 or 9. No? Parang maganon, close to 10. Close to perfect 10. Sarap. Alright, so I think lastly, I want to taste yung kanilang pork barbecue. This time, it's the spicy variations. Okay, let's take it. Oh, this one's really tender. Sarap. I can almost imagine eating this on a weekend with the family, having some drinks, chit-chat, or even a pinaka main lunch natin. You can actually include this. Grabe, ang galing nilang magluto, ha. I think they have really mastered na rin yung the way they prepare it as well as kung paano luto yung mga pagkain na ganito, since they have been in the industry since 1992. Wow! Alright, so finally on my stick, a little bit of fat probably won't hurt. So let me finish my steak now. Once again, guys, thanks so much for being with me in this video. I would like to thank as well REDEE Food Products for sending us their barbecues natin. Again, these are marinated and skewered. So lahat ng mga problems natin in preparation for our barbecue session is already solved by REDEE Food Products. So if you want to know more about REDEE, fan page will be flashing on your screens right now. So there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, please stay safe and stay at home. Until our next vlog, we hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye, guys.